Let's learn about double angle formula. Okay, we learned about compound angles where we had something called sine a plus b, cos a plus b, etc. Okay, now suppose if I take one formula sine a plus b, which is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, if I take this formula and replace b with a, what I will get? Sine a plus a is equal to sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. That is nothing but 2 sine a cos a. Okay, so sine a plus a can be written as sine 2a. So sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. This is the double angle formula for sine a. Okay, now again if you take cos a plus b, cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Similarly, you are replacing b with a. What you will get? Cos a plus a is equal to cos a minus sine a sine a, that is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. So cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. We need not memorize any of these. This is all in the formula book. Similarly, if you put tan a plus a is tan a plus tan b, so tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a, that is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So this is the tan formula. Okay, so there are three formulas: sine 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. Okay, but there are some variations which you have to remember. Like for example, if you have cos 2a, you can write it as cos square a minus sine square a. Now cos square a can be written as 1 minus sine square a. Okay, this comes from the identity cos square a plus sine square a is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Okay, again similarly if you want to put it in cos terms, so cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. So you are going to replace sine a here, so you can write that as cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square a, that is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So these two formulas are also important. We need to remember this. As I said, you need not memorize any of these. This is already there in the formula book. So they're not going to ask you how to derive this. So that is not a problem at all. And from this equation, there is one more. 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to cos 2a. So what you can do is 2 cos a is equal to cos 2a plus 1. I just brought this one upside down. So cos a is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2a plus 1. So this is another formula. This is also there in the formula book. Similarly, 1 minus 2 sine square a is equal to cos 2a. So 2 sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. And sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, so these two formulas are also important. Now let's try doing some problems. So as I said, 2a ones will not be asked for a derivation. You can just simply this can be asked as a derivation. Okay, sine 2a and cos 2a, because I have seen that asking in the exam papers. Okay, yeah. Now let's do a question. Express sine 3a in terms of sine a. Okay, so whenever you see this and whenever you see it is 3a, you have to immediately think that it is sine 3a is equal to sine 2a plus a. Okay, you have to remember to split the 3a, and now you can write it as sine 2a cos a plus cos 2a sine a. Okay, now again you can simplify this as sine 2a can be written as 2 sine a cos a and then cos a plus cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square a. I am going to take this formula and then sine a. That can be written as 2 sine a cos square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay, that is equal to 2 sine a into 1 minus sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay, because we are replacing the cos square a because we need everything in terms of sine a. Now again simplifying this, 2 sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a, that is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Okay, similarly they can ask cos 3a or tan 3a or anything. So whenever you see 3a, you have to immediately think that you have to split it into cos 2a plus a and then do the simplification and get the value out of that. Okay, and also see what is that they're asking us to express. So here it is sine 3a. So whenever you get some other value, you try to look into the formula book and try to replace it with the sine a. Now again another question, tan theta is equal to 1 over 2. Evaluate sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Okay, so if tan theta equal to 1 by 2, first of all what I will do is like I will draw a right angle triangle here and I will put a theta, and tan theta means opposite over hypotenuse, so it is 1 over 2. And then I can find the opposite over adjacent side, so it is 1 over 2, and the hypotenuse I can find it as 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to square root of 1 plus 4, which is equal to square root of 5. So the hypotenuse is square root of 5. So now with that information I can write sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so it is 1 over root 5, and cos theta is equal to 2 over root 5. So we got all this information. Now we get into the question, sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So this we get from the formula book, and you can just sub in the value, 2 times 1 by root 5 times 2 over root 5. So that is equal to 4 over 5. Okay, again now we are going with cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta is 4 over 5 minus sine square theta is 1 over 5, that is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, so any question which comes like this, where one trigonometric ratio is given and you have to find another ratio, find out the base ones first. Base ones are sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, and then sub in the values for sine 2 theta or cos 2 theta. By looking at the formula book, write the formula and then sub in the values. So that is how we handle these kind of questions. Now moving on to a different type of questions where they're asking us to show that sine 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is equal to tan a. So this is equivalent to proving of the trigonometric identities what we did before. So let me take the left hand side. So always what you have to do is like you have to take the left hand side, do some manipulation on the formula and then make it as the right hand side. So at the end you should get the right hand side. So let me take the left hand side, LHS, that is sine 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a, that is equal to sine 2a can be written as 2 sine a cos a. This is from the formula book. And cos 2a can be written as cos square a minus sine square a. This is also from the formula book. Now this can be simplified as this can be simplified again as 2 sine A cos A, and the denominator I'm going to simplify at 1 minus sine square A. Okay, it's 1 plus, maybe instead of writing like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, instead of I'm taking the second one, so this might be a wrong choice at this time, because I want tan A. Tan A is nothing but sine A over cos A. So I want to come to this ratio, so that is why I'm trying to take this, and 1 will get cancelled. So 2 sine A cos A divided by 2 cos square A, and that will cancel this cos is cancelled, and I get sine A over cos A, that is equal to tan A, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, so as I said, this was a wrong choice. I shouldn't have done that, because I should have looked into the right hand side and found out that sine A over cos A is what I require. So that is something which I will have to look forward and then take a decision. Okay, then there are some 3 other identities which you have to remember. Sine 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So here what we are doing is we are writing sine 2A in terms of tan A. Similarly, you have cos 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A, and tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So these are the 3 things which you have to remember that it exists, but no need to memorize. This is also there in the formula book. So let's do some more proof. So here I have prove that 1 minus cos 2A divided by sine 2A is equal to tan A. Again, here I need to think that tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. So I need to find out some combination from the left hand side which will give me sine by cos, and that will be the tan value which is existing. So in this case, what I have to do is left hand side, I start from the left hand side, which is equal to 1 minus cos 2A divided by sine 2A, that is equal to 1 minus cos 2A can be written as so I have to get it into tan A mode, so it can be written as 1 minus cos 2A can be written as 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A divided by 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, now it's merely simplification, algebraic simplification. So trigonometry is pretty easy. Once you get to the formula, it is normal simplification. So it comes 1 plus tan square A minus 1 plus tan square A divided by 2 tan A, divided by 1 plus tan square A divided by the denominator, which is 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, now this you can further simplify. 1 will go, and here you will get 2 tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A divided by 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, now this will get cancelled, and 2 will also get cancelled, so that remains tan square A divided by tan A, that is equal to tan A, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, so as I said, it is very simple way where you can where if you get the formula, see the formula is gotten from the formula book, so this is from the formula book, and if you get the formula book, the simplification is algebraic simplification, and it will become pretty easy. Okay, let's do one more problem. Okay, tan 2 theta is equal to 4 over 3. Find the values of tan theta. So tan 2 theta equal to 4 over 3. So we are going to find the formula for tan 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So tan 2 theta equal to 4 over 3 is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now since we have fractions, you can just cross multiply here. So 4 times 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 3 times 2 tan theta. So 4 minus 4 tan square theta is equal to 6 tan square theta. Okay. Now I am bringing everything to the left hand side, or maybe bring everything to the right hand side so that I can avoid the negative sign. So 6 tan square theta plus 4 tan square theta minus 4 is equal to 0. To simplify, divide everything by 2. So that becomes 3 tan square theta plus 2 tan, oh sorry, here there is no 2, okay, 6 tan theta. So 3 tan theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 4 is equal to 0. If you look at this, it is of the form 3x plus 2x square minus 4 is equal to, minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry for the mistake, minus 2 is equal to 0. This is nothing but a quadratic equation, and you can solve this quadratic equation. The factors will be 2x minus 1 and x plus 1. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So that will be, so mapping with that, you can write this as 2 tan theta minus 1 times tan theta plus 2 is equal to 0. And then you can simplify this and write this as tan theta equal to 1 over 2 or tan theta equal to minus 2. Okay, let's do one more question on this. Okay, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a or 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, express cos 4a in terms of sin 2a and cos 2a. So to do this question, we know that cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So cos 4a. So cos 4a is equal to cos 2 times 2a. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2a. Okay, so that is it. Now again I need to write it in terms of cos 2a. So cos 4a is equal to cos of same thing 2 of 2a, that is equal to 2 cos square 2a minus 1. Okay, these are the two things. Again, on continuation of that, there is another question. Show that 1 minus cos 4a divided by 1 plus cos 4a is equal to tan square 2a. Okay, so how will you prove that? Left hand side is equal to 1 minus cos 4a divided by 1 plus cos 4a, that is equal to 1 minus cos 4a is 1 minus 2 sin square 2a, which we got from the previous one, and then the other one is 1 plus 2 cos square 2a minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square 2a divided by 1 minus 1 plus 2 cos square 2a. I'm just simplifying this, and this 1 and 1 will cancel, all this will cancel. So what remains is 2 sin square 2a divided by 2 cos square 2a, that is equal to tan square 2a, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, this is how we simplify the values.